So what was the craziest thing you've done in your career?
Oh, I think probably jumping onto the roof of the Arc de Triomphe and riding off the roof of the Arc de Triomphe. It was a 10-story drop, 30 meters. It's pretty crazy.
What about today's show? How would you rank it?
The stunts they're tough, you know. At any moment it can go wrong, and one split second of wrong timing and you're crashing and getting hurt. So it's a tough, you know, it's tough, but that's what we do. But yeah, the show tonight, you know, and every night it's always a gamble whether you're going to get hurt or not. So try and just keep my wits about me and ride smart. I've been riding motorcycles since I've been 4 years old, and I've broken just about all the bones there is to break. Broken my neck and punted both lungs, broken collarbones, both collarbones twice, legs, arms. Yeah, I've done a lot, smashed my teeth out. It comes with the game, you know. It's like one of the things that comes with the job. You know, if you're a police officer, you got to deal with criminals. You ride motorcycles, you got to deal with crashes.
So would you still recommend this job for your child, for example?
You know, I really am open-minded about everything, and I think, you know, you support your child in whatever they choose to do, whatever their passion is. And my passion is riding a motorcycle, and you know, my parents didn't like seeing me get hurt, but they knew it was my passion and it's what I loved, and they let me follow my dream. And you know, if my son chooses or my daughter chooses to be anything, if that's their dream and they want to follow it, I give them my full support, you know. So I wouldn't recommend it to people to say, hey, go and try what we do. But if you love doing it and you're passionate about it, go right ahead.
What is the most difficult stunt in your opinion?
You know, the backflips with the tricks are really hard because, you know, you're upside down, you're spinning, and everything is working against you. Like the gravity is against you and centrifugal force is against you. But yeah, the backflips are definitely the hardest to do.
What about the fuel girls? Don't they distract you?
Yeah, I've been distracted a lot in the past, but I've learnt my lessons, and I found a good girl, and I'm getting married next week, so looking forward to that.
That's great. So you travel a lot with the shows. To which countries have you been lately?
Oh wow, I've been all over Europe lately. You know, Australia, the US, all around the US. Last year with the Red Bull X-Fighters, we went to South America, Ireland, Poland. I mean, we go all over the place. This year with the Red Bull X-Fighters, we're actually going to Egypt, Rome, Germany, Spain, the US.
Ever been to Slovenia?
Never been to Slovenia. It's not far from here though, so I'd like to go there.
How long do you think you can manage to do this?
I don't know. I just signed a new deal with Red Bull for 3 years, so I know I'm committed for the next 3 years for freestyle motocross. And you know, in my future, I'm looking to get into car racing. I think it's a little bit safer with a full roll cage around you and 4 wheels. But yeah, I think at least another 3-4 years. And I'm 28 now, so 32. Hopefully I'm driving a car then.
So next year maybe we'll see you here again?
For sure. You know, this is my first year with the Masters of Dirt, and it's a good family here. There's good people, good promoters, and we're looking at making the show even more powerful for every next show. I mean, even tomorrow night, we're even changing the show from tonight just to, we're learning bits as we go, and I think, you know, as time progresses and the more shows we do, it's just going to get better and better.
So do you think it's well organized show?
Yeah, I mean, you know, we started off in Vienna last weekend, and you know, it was a little slow, but we had a lot of content. You know, BMX guys doing BMX jumping, and there was a lot of things in the show. A front flip. It was, you know, it took 4 hours, which I think is a bit too long, but it's really starting to tighten up. And you know, last night's show was just awesome, and I think tomorrow night is going to be even more special. We're going to change the ending of the show, and so it really ends with a big bam.